Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best LEGO sets for adults. Here are the top 3 LEGO sets for adults that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron. It is a perfect gift item for all the engineers or future engineers in friends or family circle. This LEGO set is another incredible collectible for all automobile enthusiasts to have in their possession. Its construction takes time, but it's a healthy activity to be engaged in for adults after a tiring day at work. Best decoration piece to be kept in homes or offices. The minute details of this Bugatti car LEGO set make it look like a real Bugatti car. At number 2. LEGO DC Batman 1989 Batmobile 76139 Building Kit. This Batmobile LEGO set consists of all the details that make it equally similar to Batmobile that appeared in the movie. Build the entire Batmobile and then put it on the stand to make it a showpiece that can be kept in homes or offices. This LEGO set, after construction, brings back the nostalgic vibes about all the Batman movies. Its blocks are durable, stable, and perfectly ergonomic. When combined, create a unique and incredible masterpiece. 3 minifigures, including Batman and Joker, adds a more real feel to this highly creative Batmobile LEGO set. At number 1. LEGO Creator Expert James Bond Aston Martin DB5. It is the best thing for adults to get engaged and spent time building this high-class LEGO set. This LEGO set after construction can be used as a decoration piece that increases homes or offices' aesthetics. The LEGO set contains all the minute details of the famous James Bond Aston Martin car that adds more beauty to this LEGO set after construction. It is the best gift to surprise all the vintage car lovers in the family or friends circle. The seat ejector characteristics give a real feel to all the James Bond movie fans. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.